y'all, what's up? So today I got some meditation tips for y'all, so come along with me. I'm going to show you how to meditate. So there's 3 simple little things that I want you to keep in mind while meditating. Number 1 is sit with your legs crossed like so in Indian style. Next, make sure your shoulders are aligned with your knees and your back is straight. So now the next thing that you want to do is close your eyes, get in a relaxed state of mind, put your hands over your chest and your stomach, and breathe in slightly. So what you're going to do, this allows you to focus on your breath, because a lot of people lose their track of mind while meditating and they start to wander off and think about other things. Trust me, I've done it as well as a beginner. So this one really helps you to focus on your breathing, which is easier. Love y'all.